Hi, everybody. My name is Dennis. I help out with technology in Red River Valley School Division. I just wanted to share with you emojis and how you can use them to make your emails and your Google Drive and your Google Classroom look a little bit more interesting and instead of just using text. So I'm going to show you some ideas and then we'll show you how to use emojis instead of using text. Okay, here we go. What we're going to do is we'll just take a look at Google Classroom first. You can see here I've already used an emoji right up at the top here. And right there, you can see a smiley face. There's an emoji there. For the topic ecosystem, I put a world, electricity, put a light bulb. Earth crust, I use a volcano. So that's one example. Let's take a look at another one. For example, email, you can see here I use the balloon. So when that gets sent, people that receive that email will see it very, very clearly. And then you can see there, I've used a lot of balloons there in the past. Google Drive, I've used emojis just to organize my file system a little bit better. Note that when you put an emoji in here, typically it's alphabetical. And if you need a folder that you'd like to look at on a regular basis, you put emoji in front of it, it'll float right to the top. Okay, what about calendar? I've used emojis in calendars as well. There they are. Right there, you can see that I've used a few emojis just to make it pop. So when it hits your calendar, you can see it a lot easier. So how does one use an emoji? How does that work? Anywhere that you type in text, you can use an emoji. So for example, right here on the 13th, I am just going to go up in here. I can add a title. And what I'm going to do, I'm on a Windows machine. Mac machine's a little bit different. And then a Chromebook, it's a right click. So if you have a mouse on a Chromebook, right click, and you'll see you can see emoji, and that'll open up. But right now I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to go Window key and period at the same time, and you can see here that the emojis show up, and there is a search here. So when I start typing, let's say I want to use sunshine, for example. So if I start typing in sun, you'll see anything that relates to sun or weather, that kind of thing. This looks kind of cool right there. And I can start putting in whatever I want for text. And that'll be a part of the title when I save it. So when I click save, you'll see that in the calendar. When I click save, there we go. And you can see right there, there's the emoji right there. So, and you can do that on anything with your Google Classroom, Gmail, in your subject. So for example, if I go over to Gmail now and I compose, in the subject line, I can put an emoji. So same thing when I use the Windows key. Let's go subject here. Here we go. And then again, I can use whatever you want. Remember, you can search just as soon as I go Windows, period. I can start typing in whatever I want. So colors are also good. So if I put in red, you'll get a bunch of red, yellow. Some people like to color code, yellow, that kind of thing. Fruit, you name it. They have lots of different options in there. So feel free to try that. In the comments, write down how you use your emojis. Try that out. See if that helps in your organization. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.